Hello everyone. Today I have a lowrider troweling machine. It's a ride-on troweling machine, Flextool brand, and you clearly can see the lack of maintenance on this poor machine. And arms are completely jammed up. Let me turn on the light. Arms are completely jammed up. I took the blades off. Big job. Pressure plates jammed up, not moving. And you can see amount of concrete that I have to remove is, it's crazy. Nozzles gone. There is no any nozzle on this machine. The water sprayer nozzle on this side as well. And this is the start of the job. I took the seat off. This is the amount of rust came out of the fuel tank, and this is the fuel tank, not good anymore, need to be replaced. And water tank, so this machine also had no water tank, and they were using this 20-liter water drum. Full service, full overhaul. I have to take the carby off, check the carby if any of those rust gone inside the carby. Hopefully not. And I already ordered the new battery and see how it goes. All right, I pulled both spider sets out, both of them fully serviced. Pull the arm out, cleaned, remove all the burnt grease, re-grease them, put them back together. They're nice, moving nice and easy. And the good news is I don't have a big play on the arms. They all are quite tight, which is very good. And pressure plates cleaned, serviced, replaced the bearing. These are the old bearings. Noisy. Two new one on both of them. Check for any leaking oil, so there is no any leaking, which is good news. This one as well, cleaned it. Now I need to give it a good wash and put the spider sets back on. Also, this is the key. It was in here. And as you can see, the amount of force on it, this completely destroyed the key. The other one was okay, but this one wasn't that good, so I'm gonna put two new key on them. This is the clutch we have here. This one is also broken. So if you have a look inside the clutch, it has to be 3 shoes in there, or 3 pads, if you will. So this is 1, this is 2, and this one is supposed to be 1 piece, but it's broken from here. And what happens after that, when you start the engine, blades are start spinning even on idle, because this clutch is just engaged full time. Now, this is one crack, and where is the other one? So yeah, and this one cracked already, and it breaks soon. So I ordered a new clutch. This is the new version, upgraded one, can handle up to 4,000 RPM. Maximum RPM on this engine goes around 3.5 grand, so this should be all right. And also it's a smaller than that, lighter, double B section pulley. This one was very, very heavy. Easy. Now I just need to put the spacer here to hold it in place and line up the belt. It has to come out a little bit. Okay, this machine is done, fully balanced. New battery, 2 fuel tank, well, 1 fuel tank, 1 water tank, but they're identical. Lights are working, sprayers, both sprayers are working. One more ride on trailing machine ready to work, and thanks for watching.